American snail everyone. Before in the rainy season there are a lot of snail. Yeah, it is dry season, summer, so there are less. So that's kind of snail. Wow. And also feed not fat like rainy season. So yeah, the snail is like eating banana. Let's amazing. Ooh, here, millipede, white millipede, everyone. See here, okay. Now let's look at closely. Wow, this is beautiful, everyone. Let's touch my hand. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at this little lava here. Oh my god. Ooh, these beetles are very big, everyone. Let's look at them closely. Oh my god. Ooh, I cannot touch by my hand because I'm scared. Okay, if you don't scare, you can catch. You can use your hands, but I don't use it. I use my chopstick here. Oh my goodness, it's too big, everyone. That's too big. That's too big. Oh, look at the belly. It look like a male. The color is look like a male, and you see the eyes around the body. There are many eyes. Look at the small spot or red spotted. I think it's the eye or what. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is crazy. Ooh. 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 Everyone, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. These people love eating banana, you see. Oh, you see. He's eating the ripened banana here. Wow. That's amazing. Ooh. Ooh. Here, one more. This is very big, everyone. Ooh. Here, one more. This is very big. Oh my god. I think it's all here. Okay, everyone, look at here. What is it? This is the litter of the banana. So in this place there are a lot of insects here during rainy season, especially American snail and African snail. So they like eating this banana fruit tree. So let's find here if there is something special here. Okay. Snail. This snail is not yet dead, everyone. Snail is not dead. Okay. Let's find more, everyone. Ooh. There's one more, everyone. This snail is like eating banana. Look at the meat. Oh. Amazing, everyone. Wow. This ripened banana. Yes, so they throw away this banana and the snail come here to eat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It is dead. It is dead. Oh no, this is not dead. Maybe alive. Okay. Okay, let's find. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Look at the snails here. The snail is it's not so hungry when they come here to sleep. Ooh, one more. Ooh, wow. Ooh, my God. So a lot of banana got rotten banana, so that's why they love. They come here for it. Oh, oh, this banana is rotten. Ooh, there's no banana. Ooh, what is it, everyone? Ooh, wow, giant beetle over here. My God, my God. Ooh, these guys love this banana so much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mm. Wow. Ooh, amazing, 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 everyone. So I used to see them come up here at night because now it's not. It is around 7. Oh, now it's 6:30 p.m. So it's not yet the real night. So maybe at midnight they will come up here, so we can see them clearly. Okay. And now let's look for more. Oh, it's so dark here, everyone, because I don't have a light. Oh, this is water. Oh, no, I don't go there. Okay, let's see you on my next video, everyone. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys check out my other videos in my channel, and have a good day. Bye bye.